In a world overwhelmed by conflict, discrimination, racism, war, and ineffective leadership, where divisions prevent opportunities for productive solutions, the educational trainings by Pathways to Peace, a United Nations NGO, is there to offer solutions. Our trainings provide your schools, communities, and organizations with world-class instruction to equip your students, your faculty, and organization with lifelong skills, creating environments that produce effective leaders and safer, more empathetic communities.
It's not just basically talking about bullying, it's not about singing about bullying, it's about giving the kids the skills to change a culture, to change a community.
To change the world, we provide schools and organizations with the tools to cultivate a foundation of peace. Our dynamic, interactive workshops address inclusivity, mindfulness, and effective classroom management. Our workshops explore barriers to communication, reframing challenging or difficult environments, identifying diverse perspectives, introducing strategies and pedagogy that lead to success in the classroom, workplace, and community. We bring together intergenerational trainers, introducing compelling and influential strategies in effective communication, dialogue, leadership, anti-bullying strategies, and conflict resolution. Our programs are tailored to your needs and have been successfully applied in schools and organizations throughout the world. Our partnerships with numerous UN NGOs have provided our participants with dynamic platforms, from conferences at the United Nations to Zoom presentations viewed by global audiences. We work with students and organizations developing projects that are recognized by international organizations and leaders worldwide. Let Pathways to Peace customize our trainings to accommodate your most essential needs. Let us assist your schools and organizations in creating a culture of peace and the groundwork for a better day where we all can thrive and benefit from each other. Please visit pathwaystopeace.org or peacedynamics.com to learn more about our award-winning programs and trainings. Together we can build a better tomorrow. Let's start today.